Today we're going to be looking at parallel lines in the triangle angle sum theorem. Triangle angle sum theorem states that three angles in a triangle add together to equal 180 degrees. So let's apply that theorem to this problem. We know angle 1 is 90 degrees. So angle 2 and angle 3 are also 90 degrees. Vertical angles, angle 4 is 30 degrees. We also know that angle 4 and angle 6 are supplementary angles. They form a straight angle, so they have to add up to be 180. So if angle 4 is 130 degrees, angle 6 has to be 50 degrees. So if we use the triangle angle sum theorem, because we're looking at three angles in a triangle, I know my three angles, 90 plus 50 plus my missing one, has to add together to equal 180 degrees. So if we add 90 and 50, 140 plus x equals 180. And subtract 140 to both sides. Our missing angle is 40 degrees. So then find angle 7, angle 8, and angle 7 are supplementary. They form a straight angle, so they have to add together to be 180. So it means angle 7 has to be 140 degrees. So does angle 9. Let's look at different ways we can classify triangles. If we're looking at angles, we can have an acute triangle, and that means all angles are less than 90 degrees. We can have an obtuse triangle. That means one angle is greater than 90, but less than 180 degrees. We could also have a right triangle, which means we have one angle at 90 degrees. We could also have an equiangular, which means all angles are equal. So it means all angles are 60 degrees. So let's look at the way we can label them by their sides. We can have a scaling triangle. The scaling triangle means that no sides are congruent. We can have an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means we have two sides are congruent. And we could also have an equilateral triangle, which means all sides are equal. And if we have equiangular and equilateral, they go in one. So if we have an equilateral triangle, then we also have an equiangular triangle. So let's classify the triangles based on what's given. If we have sides that are lengths of 8, 4, and 5, this is going to be a scaling triangle because no sides are equal to each other. If we have sides 5, 5, and 8, it's going to be an isosceles triangle because two sides are congruent. And then if we look at our angles, we have 100 degrees, 30 degrees, and 50 degrees. So since one angle is bigger than 90 degrees, this is an obtuse triangle. Let's draw and mark a triangle to fit the description. We have a acute, so mean all angles are less than 90 degrees, and it's scaling, so no side lengths are the same. So if I draw this, all these angles are less than 90 degrees, and all of our sides are not congruent to each other. An isosceles right triangle, so right triangle we have to have 90 degrees. An isosceles meaning we have two congruent sides. An obtuse equilateral, remember equilateral means all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, it means all angles have to equal. So this is not possible.